Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today, and I have a couple of little project shares. Well, it's not really project shares, it's dies that I've bought that I've actually used and made things with, and I'm on sharing these with you. So these arrived just after Christmas, and if you've been watching my videos on my channel, I've been doing a few on the odd days. So I bought these from kscraft, and these are the Rudolf bow dies, and they it's all joined together. I just kept it all together and kept it intact. And I actually made these yesterday, and they came out quite cute actually. So that's the first one. And here's the second one. And here's the third one. They are quite cute. And I'll look forward to making these for next Christmas and actually adding them on tags, I think, because they are quite small. So that was the Rudolf bow die. Excuse me. So the next thing that I've got to share with you is, and I'm going to make this one as I go along because I need your help, guys. I bought the Gingerbread Rosette, and again I made this yesterday, and I think it's too long. I cut out 2 bits of patterned paper with the die, and when I assembled it and I tried to make the die, here's what happened to it. So all these endy bits with where the gingerbread man is die cut out, all curled up at the edges, and it wouldn't flatten out. So what I had to do, and I'm going to do it today just to do it as a test live on, lifetime if you like, real time, is I've cut out another 2 of these out of patterned paper, and I'm going to take 1/4 of an inch off of the bottom edge because I think it's too long and it doesn't make the bow die up properly. So I'll put that there just now. So I've got 2 pieces of the patterned paper that I've decided to use. What you can do is you can keep these little punch outs and keep them for shaker cards or shaker tags or whatever you're making shaker wise. And see how that goes. I've cut out a bit for the back because what I did was I put a bit on the back of that to stabilise it because it was, I roughly cut this one, I didn't do it properly. So let me just get my paper trimmer and let's take 1/4 of an inch off of this. Let's do it this way. I think it'll fold down into the I think it'll form the tag properly. So let me just get this folded up. Sorry if this is taking time, but I just wanted to do this, and then I can maybe turn it into a little tutorial video, because tutorial videos seem to do well on YouTube. And I'm trying to get my viewers up and try and get my numbers on my videos up. I know I've been away for about the past 7 years, but I would like to get back into it again now that I've had to retire and keep myself busy. I'm not going to lie, it is a bit of a challenge trying to breathe and talk at the same time, just due to health conditions, but you know, I'm trying my best. It's not the easiest. Okay, so that's that one done. So if you can bear with me with the heavy breathing and the struggling to talk and breathe. Okay, not long now. We're just about there. I mean, it could be that I've been doing this wrong, and it needs more than 2. That one's awful short. There we go, back on track now. I think the problem with recording these videos for me is I get all excited when I'm doing it. And if I get excited, then I start breathing heavier. And when I breathe heavier, you get this. And I struggle. So, okay, I've got my glue gun to the right here. Let's just get this in. I don't like the stand that I bought for that Sizzix. Oh, I've done that wrong. I'll need to put another wee bit of glue on it. I bought the Sizzix glue stand and it's no fit for purpose. It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Let me show you. I'm digressing here, but I'm having a wee moan about it. It's got a little stand underneath, but the stand doesn't clip into the back properly. It just falls out. And then when I try to put my stand on there, it falls off because this falls down. It's so frustrating. Maybe I just got a faulty one. See, look, that's it, fell down again. Okay. Let me just put this in. I would normally just use wet glue or tape for this, but because we're doing it quick, I just thought I'd use hot glue. Okay, so there's that, fell off its stand again. Right, so what I want to do now is, let's see if this is going to work okay. So I'm going to turn this in. And I'm hoping that it's going to see, it doesn't even really like, see how it's curling up at the edges? I don't think it's supposed to do that. And if I'm not using enough paper, it should be 3, then I'll redo it. But please let me know in the comments if you think I'm making a total pig's ear of this. Oh, there we go. So I don't like it how, I'm just going to put some glue down here and move this over and catch it all together. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, but I just don't like the way that it's curling at the edges. Hopefully this won't take too long. For the glue to, I don't know whether to put one of the same colour on it or not. Or do something a bit different, while that's hot. And then I'll get a wee I've got wee stickers here that are from Spellbinders that I got in a kit club that I have left over. Doesn't really. I think that one. Okay, so we'll just put that wee snow house on there, and hopefully it wasn't quite dry, but okay. I'm going to fill that hole up. And pop some glue around there. Okay. That probably shows off the gingerbread men border better on this side because it's white paper. And then we've got the finished gingerbread. Now, it even it's better than the last one when I've taken the 1/4 of an inch off, but it still did rip a little bit. And is that roughly the same size? Yeah, it was about a 1/4 inch that I took off. So these are the 2 rosette dies that I made using the gingerbread rosette. As I said before, leave a comment below if I'm doing this wrong and only using 2 and it should maybe be 3. But I don't think so. I think 2's enough, but it won't close up properly given the width that is cutting the paper on this. I have to take 1/4 of an inch off to be able to get it to work. So I had fun making them, and I will make these for next year. I just wanted to not buy the dies and not do anything with them for another year because they arrived after Christmas. So that's the dies and the rosette die and the wee bows. These are cute. I really like these. They've turned out really, really well. Okay. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like to subscribe, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you're one of the old faithfuls from years ago, it's lovely to see you back. And I'll see you again soon because I'm going to get stuck into projects and start making stuff again and making cards and what have you. I'm really looking forward to it. So I'll catch y'all later and bye for now.